Imagine this. You're on a job site and you see a coworker about to step onto a ladder that looks, well, pretty shaky. You're just passing by in a hurry to get to your next task. Do you stop and say something, or do you keep walking, figuring it's not your problem? That's the kind of moment we're talking about today. The kind where a split-second decision can make all the difference. At Safety Smart HQ, we're launching a new series called What Would You Do? In each episode, we're going to walk you through real-life scenarios, moments where safety is on the line, and ask, what would you do? Let's start with a classic scenario. You're in a warehouse and you notice a forklift operator speeding through a busy aisle. He's weaving between pallets, clearly in a rush. You don't know him well. You're not his supervisor. Do you say something? Or do you hope that he'll slow down on his own? Or picture this. You're working on a scaffold 5 stories up. You glance over and see your coworker moving without his harness attached. He's on his phone, focused on the call, completely unaware of the drop beneath him. What do you do? These aren't hypothetical situations. They're the kinds of things workers face every single day. And honestly, they're the moments that separate a near miss from a serious injury. So, here's how this series will work. We're going to present different safety scenarios and ask you to think it through. What would you do in that moment? Would you speak up? Would you step in? Or would you walk away? We're also going to share real-world examples. That means incidents where workers took action and prevented disasters, and moments where they didn't, and well, the consequences were life-changing. Let's look at one real-world example. Back in 2020, a construction worker noticed a coworker working at height without fall protection. He hesitated, wondering if it was his place to say something. But then he thought, what if I don't? So, he spoke up, reminded the coworker to clip in. Less than 5 minutes later, the coworker slipped, but the harness caught him. If that worker had stayed silent, it could have been a fatal fall. But it's not always that dramatic. Sometimes it's the little things that prevent big problems. Maybe you see a spill in a walkway and take a moment to put up a caution sign. Maybe you remind a coworker to put on their safety glasses before grinding metal. These quick actions don't just prevent injuries, they set a standard. They show everyone around you that safety is everyone's job, not just the safety officers. These are just good habits that set your company up with an excellent safety culture. So, let's hear from you. What would you do? We want you to share your thoughts, your stories, your experiences in the comments. If you faced a tough decision on the job, tell us about it. What did you do? How did it turn out? And if you see a great story from another viewer, let them know. Share what you would have done in their shoes. Because at Safety Smart HQ, we believe that learning from each other's experiences is one of the most powerful tools we have for staying safe. And who knows? Your story might be the one that makes another worker stop, think, and take action the next time they're faced with a what would you do moment. Ooh. One decision, one action, one safe choice at a time. How about this? Would you share this video? How about following up to see if the person you shared it with came up with their own story? Let's hear what you do. We can't wait to share it.